How to log into your Bank of America online banking account. The very first thing you want to do is head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. In the search bar, search for bankofamerica.com. Head over to the very first site, Bank of America. It will land you on the official page of Bank of America. Here at the top right corner, you'll find the option of login. Tap on it. And once again tap on continue to log in. Wait for a while. It will head over to this page. If you already have your account, you simply need to enter the user ID and the password. And once you are done, tap on login. And then you will be logged into your Bank of America. And you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can log into your Bank of America. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.